Good morning. The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Welcome to our virtual admission ceremony. We wish, all of us, that we could be together in the courtroom at the moment. Obviously, we can't do that quite yet, but we hope that that fact will not at all take away from the significance of this very important moment in your lives. First of all, we will start with Ms. Guerrera, who you've met this morning.
Thank you, Justice Kapnick. May it please the court, good morning. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this morning to present to the court 33 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has reviewed the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this morning does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. And I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you very much. I have had an opportunity earlier this morning before we got on line to talk to my colleagues, and we are very happy to grant that motion. Ms. Guerrero, we want to thank you, and on behalf of all of the judges of the court, ask you to thank all the members of the Character and Fitness Committee who have interviewed these candidates and reviewed their applications and presented us with what appears to be a very fine group of applicants for admission this morning.
Thank you, I will.
Thank you. The clerk of the court, Susana Rojas, will now administer the oath of office.
Good morning, Justice Kapnick. Good morning, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do." At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
Congratulations. Attorneys, you may lower your right hand and please use your microphone. Thank you.
And I would like to invite the justices to unmute their microphones so that we can give a round of applause to our new attorneys.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So if everyone can now again mute your microphones. At this time in this ceremony, it is traditional in our court for one of the justices to make a few remarks to the new attorneys. This morning, that honor falls to my colleague, the Honorable Angela Mazzarelli. Justice Mazzarelli?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good morning and congratulations to all of the new lawyers. This is a momentous, happy day for all of you and your families. Each of you have worked very hard to reach this milestone, and it is to be celebrated. And you also have to remember that it could not have been done without the support of your families. We all know that these are extraordinary times. Just the fact that this ceremony is being conducted virtually exemplifies that. Nonetheless, it should not detract from the joy and importance of today for you. Being a lawyer is a great honor and a privilege. It gives you the knowledge and the ability to affect the lives of many people in a positive way. The legal system and lawyers are and have been the most important vehicle for social change throughout the history of our country in every area. Without lawyers and their courageous acts, no progress would have been made in the areas of civil rights, gender equality, equal access for all to economic opportunity, and equal protection for every person under the law. Recent events have shown how crucial this is. However, we all know that we still have a long road ahead to fully achieve those goals. And it will be you, the lawyers, who will work to reach those goals. I hope that when conditions permit, you will visit our beautiful courthouse and courtroom and take in their magnificence. When we perform this ceremony in our courtroom, I talk about the beauty and majesty that surrounds us and what an honor and privilege it is to be in that room. I point out its magnificent and meaningful art, which exemplifies important concepts in the law. There are murals depicting power, wisdom, and justice, the pillars of our legal system. I mentioned that 2 of the current United States Supreme Court justices and 1 who has recently passed away were sworn in there in our courtroom: Elena Kagan, Sonia Sotomayor, and Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But there are also many other famous lawyers who have been members of the New York Bar: Benjamin Cardozo, Louis Brandeis, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, to name just a few. Now, each of you has joined that very same bar, the New York State Bar, and each of you has the opportunity to follow their greatness. You are limited only by your imagination and your energy. So go, celebrate your accomplishments, and forge ahead and work toward achieving justice for all. Thank you and congratulations again.
Thank you so much, Justice Mazzarelli, for those inspiring remarks to our new attorneys. This admission ceremony is now concluded and court is adjourned. Congratulations to all of you.